Who asked about? Someone said, "What's the play today?" Yeah, so we're going to be looking at 235, 240 Tesla calls here off the open. I do think that Netflix and Meta may have a chance to do something as well today, but to me, Tesla is going to be the safer, probably a more high odds trade for me. I just like it the most. Could I make money on Netflix or Meta today? Yeah, maybe. But I think that if we can catch Tesla, I think there's a pretty good chance. Yeah, I mean, swinging calls on that is crazy. It's good though. I'm glad you did. All right, so imbalance has started about a minute and a half ago. Got 3 minutes here till the open. I like to see this have some strength here into the open. However, I would like to see some sort of pullback off the open. I don't want to see this just have a green candle and just start absolutely flying. Could it do that? Yeah. But that's kind of when I don't want to be super aggressive. My original plan here would be to try to actually buy really small on a dip if I can get it. I don't know that I even want to signal that to anyone just because I feel like a lot of people take starter positions when they don't have the capital to do that. So I'm going to wait for a safer entry. But however, I would like to see this opening range break kind of setup here off the open. You get the pullback, and then you can, you get in on that high of day and let this thing break. So obviously 235 is going to be this really important level. This kind of starts this gap fill. And we have yesterday's high at 235.68, right? So after the Fed cut yesterday, this just quickly spiked up, hit 235.68, and then it just came right back down. So I mean, I wouldn't consider that a real break of 235 at all. Yeah, I'm doing September 20th for sure. Yeah, a lot of volatility here coming into the open. 2-minute warning. Yep. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Just so everyone's on the same page, I'm going to be trading the 235 calls for September 20th on Tesla. One minute. $35 seconds. $20 seconds. I would say 2, Wyatt, but maybe start with 1 and then add into it. 5 seconds here, guys. Here we go. I want to see this dip early, but we may not get that. I don't know why this is all so laggy. All right, the easy play here is just to wait for 235 here, guys. That's going to be probably my entry. We do have a wall there. This is dipping a little bit. Just give this a chance to work. This is what I wanted. I wanted to see the dip early and then see this get bought up. I don't really want to see it go lower than 233. So we have a high day here, 234, 234.50. Oh man, here we go. Get ready. Get ready. Another rejection. Contracts are gaining value, which is kind of crazy. Wow, look at that pullback. Big pullback here. Want to see this get bought up here pretty good. So this is, I like this as an opening range break now. If we can see this candle get bought up really strong through the high of day, I'm going to be in. Come on, Tesla. I know you can do it here. I think any minute we're going to see an entry here. Sitting above 233. Market trying to bounce here a little bit. These contracts are just moving weird. Weird open here. Netflix not really doing anything. This is good. I mean, this is kind of that opening range break I wanted. We're just waiting for this to start ripping through up to the high of day with some volume. Then that's where we're going to have our trade. Here we go, Tesla. Get ready, guys. I'm telling you, this entry is probably going to come pretty soon. I'm going to look to get in around 234.50. These contracts are losing value, which is kind of weird now. They were gaining value early on. Now they're losing it. A lot of selling pressure here. A lot of selling pressure. Be patient. There's a big trade here. So, I mean, there's no reason to kind of force it too early. I'd rather be a little bit late to this and then on this 235 break, let this thing just absolutely go. Yeah, market's just selling off here a little bit, which is somewhat expected, right? Big gap up. There's got to be some sort of pullback. Just waiting for one just huge green candle here through the high of day on Tesla, and I think we got this trade. I don't like all these rejections, though. Just waiting for a market bounce here, though. This is kind of perfect, though. It takes 4 or 5 minutes here off the open, and then we can get our trade. Just be ready. Have the contracts ready. Have everything ready here. Trying to pop up here above VWAP. It'll be pretty obvious when this thing is ready. Volume's been dying off as this is pulled back. Just looking for a volume spike here to the upside. Contracts are back at 3. Any minute here, I want to see this go. The market's still selling off, which sucks. We need some strength here out of futures to help this thing go. Tesla's ready to go. You can tell there's some buying pressure coming in now. And NQ is just selling off hard. I don't want to see this roll back over. Market trying to bounce a little bit here. If this rolls over, it may ruin the trade. Right now, this looks to me pretty perfect here. We just need to see a bounce on futures. Be patient here. Be patient. These contracts already have almost 15,000 volume. Look at this. Come on, Tesla. You look so good. We just need a little market bounce here. I think this thing is getting ready. I mean, it's not dropping here, and NQ is still selling off. We just need a bounce here from the market, and this is going to start squeezing. 233.50. Just got to see above 234 here. We're just fighting this VWAP. Come on. Here we go. Market's about to reverse here, it looks like. Tesla's trying to get back up there. Here we go. Starting to pop here. 234. Just need a little market help here. Want to see volume spike on this. Volume's still low. Come on, Tesla. This is it. Market's trying to bounce. Here we go. Get ready. I'm about to get in these. Still moving a little slow for me. Market really bouncing here. I wanted to see this candle be the one that goes. Let's just be patient here. Wait for this volume. There's a big trade above 235, so there's no reason to try to take it, too crazy of an entry here. Here we go. I'm in. Half size going to add at 235. I want to see this just absolutely start flying. 234.60. 70. Here we go. If volume picks up here, this is going to go crazy. I want to see this 235 break right here. 3 cents away, 4 cents away. Boom, broke through. Yesterday's high coming in. Come on, Tess. I want to see some more. I'm going to sell a little bit here. Again, I'm trying to look for a bigger trade here. As long as we can close above 235 on this and really let this thing go, I'm going to be happy. Come on. I want to see a lot more. At least 236 to sell some more. This is where you have to be patient. We've waited for this trade for so long. Let's just slowly scale out of this. Still waiting for 236 to sell a little more. $0.10 away. Could be a really big move, guys. So just be patient here. Beautiful. Want to see a little bit more of a pop there at 236. I'm going to sell some more on a new high. Okay, new high, selling some more. Still got more than half my position still on. Let this work for us, guys. I've talked about this all week. I mean, I'm up pretty good right now, but I want to let this thing just go. I want to keep us calm here. How much, Wyatt? I'm still in this heavy. Market rejecting a little bit. This is just a day where I don't want to be too greedy here. But again, waited for this for a long time. Yeah, this is going to be a big one. Look at this, guys. Still going here. Going to sell a little bit more here just to be safe. Yeah, I mean, already a really great trade, guys. I'm trying to be slow here. I mean, this is a trade that could go to 240 today. So regardless, huge gain here. If you're up a lot, just get out. Take your money and run. Take your money and run. I got about half my position on still. We're probably going to trim up a little more here. I think this is a pretty solid move, and I think there's probably going to be a pullback at one point. Wow. Volume's starting to die out a little bit as well. What a trade. What a trade. It's a pretty big trade for me. $237 just broke. Probably going to sell a little more. Wow. This is pretty solid. Yeah, I did the same thing, Lord Jelly. This is where I feel like we're probably going to see some sort of a pullback here on Tesla. Wow, look at this, man. This is why you wait for these trades. I still think there's so much more left in this, but this is a pretty big trade for me, so I'll take it. Got to stay calm here. No, I mean, I had 25 contracts and I have 5 left. I'm letting this go for a little while. But, again, that means I'm out of what, 80% of my position. Here's the pullback, right? So my last sell there was pretty much peak. And now I only have 5 of my 225 contracts left. I mean, I don't think it's a terrible idea, Wyatt, no. But I don't know what's going to happen. The market could tank here. Yeah, I mean, the best thing to do is take profits and run. Prime Tom, you made $2,000. Nice, dude. I'm up. Yeah, I'm up a little bit around there. Nice commit. See, guys. I mean, look. What was it, Tuesday or Monday when we tried these and they didn't work? I hope that the wins here easily made up for the losses because I'm up 5 times what I lost. And now I just sit back and let this thing keep going. Prime Tom. Well, dude, or prime ton. Yeah, dude. This is where it's at. I'm telling you. You need to get in a premium too. Because you're only going to get 2 of these a week with me. On the free side, you'll get 4 if you're on premium. And if you just made $2,000, you can see it easily pays for itself. Cool. Well, hit me up and I'll get you a link. Add me as a friend here on Discord, and then let me know. Yeah, just DM me. I'll get you set up. Heck yeah. Well, Tesla's kind of sitting here 236. What everything else do here? I haven't really looked. Meta didn't really do a whole lot. Netflix sitting right at 700. Not super exciting. I almost just want to take full profits here on Tesla, but yeah, Lifetime's a little more expensive. Apple, yeah, Apple, wow, 22, 27. Market's starting to bounce here. I'm probably going to take everything off here on this high day on Tesla. Getting a little greedy. I wanted to see that 3,000 mark, but Ethan, what's your name? I think you just added me. Was your name Kelly or something like that? I'm still in this trade, so I'm going to try to focus, but I'm pretty. I think I'm okay. Was it Kelly 411526 prime time? Oh, here I'll just add you right here. It's pretty simple. Add friend. There you go. Oh shoot, Tesla just pulled back. Still trying to hold 236 here. Market's selling off. I may be getting a little greedy here, but regardless, big trade. I'll take it. I just think there's a lot more in this. Well, if you just made 2 grand prime, then you can take it to a good dinner. So it was worth it. Tesla trying to get bought up here off 235. I'd probably like to see the markets just falling back to lows of day. I just want to see a new high on this, and I'll probably just get out. It's Thursday. Don't want to hold this for too long. 17-minute workday so far. Up pretty good. Look at that buy up there. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Tesla's going to go. Come on. Nice, Kenny Penny. See, pretty casual, right? It's just wait for these A plus setups. We take a little paper cut early on in the week, and then as long as you've sized correctly on today, it was golden. I mean, what better setup could I ask for? A plus setup, big time frame. We got our opening range break today into a gap. I hope you guys put some size on this. I mean, I was in pretty good. 25 contracts at 322 a piece. It's nothing too crazy, but it was day after FOMC, so I didn't want to push it too hard. Here we go. Here we go. Gonna probably sell the rest here in a new high. I'm getting a little greedy, Pookie. Nice, fans. A little market bounce here. I mean, I could see this 239, 240 today by the end of the day. I mean, again, we're only 20 minutes in. So that's why I'm really trying to stretch this one out and try to get as much as I can. But again, I only have 5 contracts out of 25. So I've taken the majority of my position off here. Come on, Tesla. I want to see this keep going. Market's just selling off. Come on, market. Bounce with me here. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Little break and retest 235. We're still in the gap. Market hasn't bounced at all, and this thing's about to just start flying. Yeah, FOMO scalpers 100%. If I'm the guy that misses this original move, I'm the guy trying to buy this dip into the resistance that we just broke. I'm going to sell a little more there. Got 3 contracts left. Nice, RB. Good, man. That's a good day. Market's still selling off. I need a little bounce here. I want to see 238, and I'll get out. Or they're just going to drop this on my head. Market dump in here. Why? There's really just not. There's no other trades for me. Meta's not doing anything. It's selling off. Netflix is under 700. So, you know, not really a day to push it. This sure makes me happy though. I needed the get back after losing. Market just tanked. Wow. Look at the way Tesla's holding up too. Yeah. Yeah, Wyatt. Listen to Pookie over here. Yeah, Geo for sure. Geo, did you trade Tesla with me or what? Tell me something good. Man, the market's gonna screw this up. NQ is tanking. TNT, tell me something good. Still, 4 contracts pretty good. I mean, I think those contracts made over $100. I mean, I have a peak sell right now at 5 flat. So from 3 to 5, it's over 50%. I'm going to take that every single day if I can get it. But I'm still in 3 contracts. I just hate this. The market is selling off so hard, and Tesla's doing everything it can to hold up here. Just need a little bounce here from NQ. Come on. Well, about 100 a contract, perfect. Come on, Tesla, just get above. I'm gonna sell the rest of these around 238. I'm being a little greedy here, but I think I could see probably 550 on these contracts. But also at the same time, I'm kind of not, right? I had 25 contracts, I'm down to 3, so I've taken off basically everything. Here we go. 237. Market has 1 green candle, and Tesla's itching to keep going higher. This is where you got to let those things work for you. Here we go. Let's go, Tesla. 237.60 is going to be the high of day. I don't know if anyone's still in with me. Probably not, I would assume. But just kind of showing you guys how to work through a trade like this. Just being patient, scaling out on highs, trying to let it work for you. And then, once you can take off the majority of your position, you could really, really let it work. Come on, I want to see a high a day. Market rolling back over. Come on, NQ. Nice TNT. I'm gonna get out of everything at 238 if I can get it. Other than that, probably gonna have like a $4 a contract stop loss, maybe 420, just so I can still have $100 a contract. Here we go. Market starting to bounce. I want to see Tesla really go here. Here we go. Let's go. Come on. 80 cents away. Here we go. About 20 cents away from high of day. Yeah, Prime. I mean, this is, I just think out loud here. So new traders can learn kind of the thought process behind everything. Yeah, 240 is definitely possible. I mean, I'm not going to hold for that, but I do think it's possible. I'm just trying to be patient here, trying to get this 238. When you wait for a trade for so long, guys, the last thing you want to do is just like try to take quick profits. On A plus setups, you have to be patient with them. As hard as it is, why let losers, why give losers time to work in your favor when you're not going to let winners work in your favor? It's tough. Believe me, I want to get out of this and start celebrating, but I can't focus on the P&L, and you have to focus on the trade here. We're just kind of flagging again. Could this easily come down and I, don't make as much? Yeah, but I'm willing to do that. This is something, if I'm going to wait months for this, why wouldn't I wait 10 minutes? You know, that's just a logical way to think about it. Yeah, exactly. It's human nature, Buki. That's why I stress this for the whole week. Is like, guys, you got to let this trade work for you. I'm still up over $150 a contract sitting here. I mean, yeah, I do think this is a decent swing setup. However, it's just with an FOMC week, I don't really want to be too exposed overnight. So I knew that, okay, if I don't swing this, I need to make the day trade count. And that's really what I'm trying to do here. You guys know I'm typically in and out really quick, but nothing about this is telling me to sell everything yet. Is there a reason why you didn't get a farther out contract for the increase in P&L? Well, I wanted to get in the money, Prime Tom. The 240 calls could have easily worked, but right now, especially because I knew I wanted to sit in this trade a little bit longer, that's why I picked the 235, so I can get in the money on these. Premiums could also flip, and they're also a little bit more expensive. So they're gonna move a little more percentage wise. I bet the 240s did more, but they were just a little cheaper, and I don't want to have to buy 50 contracts. I wish I did now, but like I talked about in my premium lesson the other day, the biggest losses come on the A plus setups when you're sized heavy. And typically that's where you're so biased toward a setup that, you're not gonna take a stop loss where you should. So when the trade starts to work and it's proving to me that, okay, this is the day that it's working, I can't sell early. So I wanted to be, yeah. So I picked 235. So I wanted to be in the money for a simple answer. Come on, just give me a high day, guys. I'm going to get out of here. Throw those profits in the profit chat. Anyone that's free who wants to join premium after seeing today, add me as a friend, DM me. I'll help you out. You're only going to get 2 of these a week as a free member. You're going to get 4 as a premium member. Tomorrow's a premium stream, so yeah. Once I get out Prime, I'm going to help you out. I want to get out of this trade. This is kind of making me mad. Cool. Yeah, I'll take care of you for sure. Market's rolling over. Maybe that was it for Tesla. Maybe we can figure that out, Mastermind, but I also want to make sure the other people get a chance here. Yeah, 10 a.m. news coming in here in about 45 seconds. Nice buy up there on Tesla. Come on, man. Just give me high a day. This is a nice little flag here. So this could help this kind of accelerate this to like 238.50. I only have 3 contracts left. So, I mean, I'm not really worried about anything here. Just trying to be patient. This is still working exactly how I would want. And if you notice, I dropped down to a 2-minute time frame to kind of calm me down as well. There's little things you can do to help you stay in trades longer when you need to. Back at 237, I want to see this pop right through here. Market's starting to bounce. Volume's low, so I want to see a volume spike here through this high a day. Here we go. This is where scalpers come in and they want to scalp this high a day. Come on, man. Be patient, Ethan. Look at this, bouncing right off this trend. Just need a little market bounce. Here we go. About 20 cents away from high a day. 238 is right up here. Contracts 490. Yeah. So yeah, thanks, Pookie. That's probably something we should mention. Market rejecting. Come on, Tesla. One more pop here. Welcome, Prime. Welcome to the show. Come on, Tesla. Give me a little more here. A little bit more. This is tough to hold. I want to get out of this. This is a pretty big trade. But this is where you can't focus on the P&L. You got to focus on the trade here. The market doesn't care about what I'm up or down. This looks ready to go here any minute. About 30 cents away from high a day. Just need a little help here from NQ. Yeah, it's all about the plan and the execution here. If you can make $20 on a trade, you can make $200 on a trade, you can make $2,000 on a trade. It's all just percentages. So don't focus on your P&L. Also, don't be, if you have a $2,000 account, don't look to make $2,000, right? Look to make your $20, $50. Here we go. High day coming in. Getting ready to sell the rest of this. Bam. Come on, give me 38. Going to sell a little bit right here. These contracts aren't really gaining value like I want. Come on. Give me 38. Getting greedy here. I want to see that 3,000 P&L. Let's go. 37.80, 83. Got a little wall at 238 here. 89. 90, 93. Here we go. Give me this. Give me this here. Come on, Tesla. Patience here, guys. Patience. 90. Boom. Want to see a little more to break that. Just sold a little more. I have one contract left. What do I need here? $204. Come on. One more new high. One more new high, Tesla. Market's ripping here. It looks like people are starting to take profits on this, though. It might be over, yeah. Still got one contract left. Market's about to pull back, though. That might have been the peak right there. I just want more than an 8-cent break of 238. Maybe I'm getting a little greedy. I just don't think so. That was a big volume candle. That's where you want to see continuation. 20 cents from, here we go, 15 cents. Come on. Give it to me. Market pulling back. Tesla trying to stay strong here. I just think there's a little more here over 238. just knowing Tesla. I'm almost there. I'm going to do a limit sell here at 540 a contract. I may be asking for too much. 540 a contract. Limit sell is out. 530. One more new high here, and I got it. One more new high. Here we go. 530. 540. Fill me. We tapped it. 540. Oh, come on. Just fill me. One more pop. 540 on the ask. And I'm out. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo! That is what I wanted right there. Oh, what a trade. Pookie, I'm doing your numbers. Wow. Heck yeah, baby. Wow. New high coming in. 560 a contract. Man, if I had all 25, I'd be up pretty good. Yeah, Pookie, I agree. Great job, everyone. Yeah, I want to see that profit channel jumping today. This is probably the move for 540. My entry, my average price was 322. And my peak sell was 540 on my last little bit. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I'm probably gonna head out. I gotta get some homework done. It's due in 2 hours. So yeah. Wow, 238.70, 575 a contract. Jeez. Oh man, what a day. Yeah. So this should easily make up for losses. If not, and I hate that, but wow. What a day. Netflix didn't do anything. Meta didn't either. So those setups are still intact. Yeah, for sure. I'm just still waiting for that. And I got that all on recording. So that'll be a good video to clip up. Could not ask for anything better. Opening range break, 235. Got a wall there. Now I get to go to school. How about that? You're already on break? What? Wish I had fall break. The last thing I want to go do now is go to school. And this is like a 5-hour day at school for me. 5 hours of classes. So that's going to be so fun. I hope you guys can't hear the lawnmower outside. Yeah, I know you can, Wyatt. Well, guys, I say we call it here. I got to get some work done. So, what a morning. This makes me happy that we finally got this set up here. I think there's probably still more in this. Seeing 240 today, I would not be surprised. I'm going to hate to see where my contracts are at. But, hey, I'm going to take this all day, and we'll move on. So, if you guys need anything else, DM me. Let me know. If you want coaching links or premium links, just DM me. Prime Tom, I'll take care of you. Anyone that's free who also is interested, just talk to any of us here. We can get you set up in the right coach's corner. We can get you in premium and coach's corner. Whatever you need. But fun day. Gotta get some new people in here. Yeah, another new high coming in, 575. I do think 540 is just gonna happen. May take a little while, but all right. Well, thanks, Jay. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Run up that profits chat, please. That'll be good. All righty. Yeah, thank you guys. You have a good rest of the day. Off to the gym. Good. All right. Take care. Later.